The Asian Renaissance, a global journal of Asian cultures, is a peer-reviewed journal committed to researches and publications on the topics that pertain to the global understanding of the Asian cultures for academic appreciation. 21st century belongs to Asia is not just an empty jingoistic slogan raised by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Instead, the slogan is a bold expression of faith in the roots of the Asian cultures and civilizations that have contributed so immensely to the evolution of the mankind and still has many more promises and offerings for progress underlying the principles of love, amity, and universal brotherhood, embedded in the humanitarian wisdom stored in the classical Asian literatures. We all know that European Renaissance, by way of revival of the interest in the European classical literatures and cultures of Greece and Rome, when transformed into a powerful intellectual movement, not only metamorphosed the middle-aged Europe into modern West to give a fresh impetus to the modern entrepreneurship and scientific explorations, but has also directed and dictated the entire course of human history during the past 2 centuries. Unfortunately, the Western Renaissance has an ugly facet that has prompted insidious devaluation of human dignity, with lustful colonial policies by subordinating science and technology to totalitarian, sinister, and imperialistic designs that manifest in materialistic rat race, inflicting irreparable damages to our social and institutional fabrics, which is why we have broken families and marriages, abandonment of children and senior citizens, and a host of other social evils. The Asian Renaissance, which is long due, still awaits its turn to become a powerful cultural movement to assume the global leadership in the 21st century to effect global peace and sustainable progress. As such, the Asian Renaissance, in turn, seeks to cherish the ancient and relish the modern, foster the best and discard the worst, repair the damages and replenish the human values by the spirit of reason and humanitarian wisdom enshrined in the teachings of the Buddha and Confucius, or the sciences of Aryabhat and Varahamihir.